Does your teacher sound like this?
Hey everybody, how you doing? Hey guys, let's start our day.
That's not what she's supposed to sound like. So she's going to go ahead and mute herself. Good job. All right. So we're going to go down to the bottom left-hand corner. Well, she is. She's going to go down to this microphone right here, this little arrow. Hit audio settings. Go over here and lower her input level volume of her microphone all the way down. And then she's going to uncheck this box, automatically adjust microphone volume, uncheck it, suppress background noise, set it auto, and just make sure she has all the same settings. She may play with the settings a little bit to see if it works better, but we're just tackling her volume and her static noise right now. And then we're going to go to advanced. And echo cancellation is at auto. So those are the settings. Go ahead, and after she adjusted her settings, how does she sound?
Hello everybody, how do I sound now? Am I sounding better?
Much better.
I've got my volume right in the middle, is where I've got it now.
Now, you can show this video to the class, classmates too. If you have a few extraordinarily loud children in your class, you can ask them to lower their microphone volume so that the teacher can still be heard. And those settings should also help with if someone's talking over each other. Sometimes the audio just cuts out completely. And these settings also help address that. So now she doesn't cut out anymore when she plays like a video or something. Yay!
Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right. I hope this video helps everybody else.